website for your business? First, go to Wix.com. I'm Margot from Wix's team. Let me walk you through building your website with some pro advice. You ready? Let's do this. Wix Video is an amazing tool to showcase what your brand is all about. Insider tip: videos make visitors spend more time with your site, and it increases their engagement with it. Eye-catching, isn't it? Wix bookings can take your business to a whole new level. You can offer classes, treatments, demo sessions, and get paid online. This can be a total game changer for you and your clients. One tool I really recommend for businesses is email marketing. It's a great way to connect to your client base. And the coolest part, you can customize every element. Maybe a little too much. At the end of the day, getting found is the most important part. We just launched a new panel that keeps all of Wix's professional SEO tools in one place, so you can direct relevant traffic to your site and grow your business. You can create a truly outstanding website that perfectly suits your needs. So what are you waiting for? Go to Wix.com to create your professional website today.